Everyone thinks the best-selling air fryer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Instant Pot Vortex Mini. First up is the Instant Pot 4 QT Vortex 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. Priced at $59.99, this little powerhouse caught my attention with its versatility and compact design. If you want a reliable air fryer that doesn't take up too much counter space while offering multiple cooking options, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its even crisp technology, you're getting that crispy texture you crave without all the oil. It has 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, so it's basically like having a mini kitchen in one appliance. Plus, the 4-quart capacity is great for up to 4 servings, making it ideal for small families or singles. The large ClearCook window means you can keep an eye on your food without losing heat, and honestly, that's a game changer. With over 72,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's evident that many users love this. Now, some people complained about the controls being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and intuitive. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, multifunctional air fryer that delivers great results. Skip this one if you're cooking for larger gatherings or need a much bigger capacity. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you looking for something even more compact and budget-friendly. Product number 2, Chefman Mini Air Fryer. Next up, we have the Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer, priced at just $39.99. I was really drawn to its sleek design and ability to fit seamlessly on any countertop. If you want a no-fuss solution for quick, healthy meals, this is worth a serious look. This mini air fryer is all about convenience. It cooks food up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven, which is a real time saver. The 2-quart capacity is just right for 1-2 people, and its compact design means it won't clutter up your kitchen. Plus, it uses little to no oil, so you can indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. With a solid 4.5-star rating and over 29,300 reviews, people clearly appreciate its performance. But if you're cooking for 1 or 2, it's a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're living alone or just want quick meals after a long day. Skip this one if you often host dinners or cook for larger groups. Now, if the previous product's small capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach and offers a bit more space. Product number 3, Chefman 4 QT Air Fryer. Now let's talk about the Chefman Air Fryer, which offers a larger 4-quart capacity for $54.99. I was impressed by its sleek design and how it can handle various cooking tasks. If you want a reliable air fryer that can feed a small family easily, this is worth a serious look. This model features high-fry technology that heats up to 450 degrees F, ensuring your food gets that perfect, crispy finish. Think chicken tenders and fries with a delicious crunch. It has a simple touchscreen control with 4 presets, making it easy to whip up your favorite meals with just one touch. The shake notifications help ensure your food cooks evenly, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup a breeze. With over 3,300 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, users love its performance and ease of use. Some reviewers did mention that the touchscreen can be a little sensitive, which might frustrate those who prefer tactile buttons. But honestly, once you get used to it, it makes cooking much simpler. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile air fryer that's slightly larger for family meals. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact and easy to store. Alright, that was a great choice. But if you're looking for something that balances functionality and style, the next one is really worth checking out. Product number 4, COMFE Compact Air Fryer. Next is the COMFE Compact 2.1-quart Air Fryer, priced at just $31.99. I love how budget-friendly this one is while still offering a ton of features. If you want a simple yet effective air fryer that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This air fryer uses up to 90% less oil than traditional frying methods, which is great for health-conscious eaters. It features 12 preset cooking options, so whether you're defrosting food or whipping up game day snacks, it's got you covered. The rapid air circulation technology ensures your meals cook evenly and quickly, making it perfect for busy cooks. With a rating of 4.6 stars and over 1,100 reviews, buyers appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Some users reported that the preset functions can be a bit confusing at first. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes a great tool in the kitchen. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and reliable for quick meals. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a large cooking capacity. Now, if you found the last option a bit too basic, this next air fryer offers more advanced features while still being budget-friendly. Product number 5, Chefman 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Chefman 4-in-1 Slim 3.5 QT Air Fryer priced at $49.96. I was really impressed by its versatility and compact design. If you want an air fryer that can do it all without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. This model not only air fries but also bakes, dehydrates, and cooks frozen foods, making it a true multitasker in the kitchen. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees F, it can deliver that crispy texture you love in a fraction of the time compared to traditional cooking methods. The intuitive touchscreen controls are easy to navigate, and the non-stick ceramic coating ensures easy cleanup. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, users appreciate its compactness and performance. Some buyers felt that the 3.5-quart capacity wasn't enough for larger families. This is perfect for you if you want a space-efficient air fryer that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you often cook for larger gatherings or need more cooking space. To wrap things up, each of these air fryers has its own strengths. Whether you need something compact, versatile, or budget-friendly, there's definitely an option here for you. In summary, we've covered 5 fantastic affordable air fryers. The Instant Pot Vortex Mini, Chefman Mini, Chefman 4 QT, COMFE Compact, and Chefman 4-in-1. Each offers unique features catering to different cooking needs and budgets. So which one is your pick?